What is this stamping defect?
It's a glitch. The knife edge is worn or the blanking area is too large, prone to burrs.
What is this stamping defect?
This is stretching. The material is not ductile enough and stretching process not designed, prone to cracking.
What is this stamping defect?
This is wrinkling. Not enough blank holder force. Material flow control is not good.
What is this stamping defect?
This is rebound when damping high-strength steel. The most likely problem.
What is this stamping defect?
This is a crush injury. The mold is not clean or if the feeding is unstable.